Hi Jane, this is one of the production questions where you get data over lots of different months. Let's try question 1. Okay, to begin with, we've got production from January, February, March, April, May, June. Up the side we've got thousands of units imported, and we've got a key over here on the right that's going to tell us the prices of those products. So for number 1, what's the average value for polystyrene imported over the first 3 months? So the first thing we need to do is we need to work out how much polystyrene was imported altogether. So let's have a little look. On January it's going to be the middle shade of grey, which reads up here, and that's going to be 40. For February, we've got the middle shade of grey as well, so that would be just above 35. It's closest to 35, so it'd be 36. And then for the final one, we've got this one here. Now, if you look between 25 and 30, halfway would be 27.5. It's very slightly higher, so that'd be 28. So if we add those three together, you get 104. So it would be 104,000 units, and we need to times that by the price for the polystyrene, which is this price here, $195, and the total that it would give you is 20,280, which is answer B. For part 2, what is the mean for polythene imported across the 6-month period? So if we have a little look at the word mean, remember that means average. I remember when we did the average, we had to add together all of the values and then divide by the number of values that we had. So we are looking at the polythene column, which is the darker grey. So we need to read each one of these off. So this one here, just made a mess of that one, sorry about that, would be 18. And then this one here would be not 26 but one higher, 27. This one here is just one below the 30, so it's 29. This one here for April, just one below the 25, so it's 24. This one here for May, I think we're 2 above the 15, which gives it 17. And then this one here, very slightly lower at 16. If we add all of those together on a calculator, we get 131. And then we need to divide by the number of values. So because it's 6 months, we have 6 values, so it's divided by 6. The answer we get is 21.8333, and so it goes on. So we're looking for the closest one, so our closest answer would be 21.8, which is answer A. Question 3, this one's not too bad actually. What was the total of acrylics imported across the first 4 months? So we're just going to look at January, February, March, April. The acrylic is the palest grey. So for our first value, we have got not 35, but 2 above 35, so that'd be 37. Just below the halfway mark between 35 and 40. For the second one, February, we've got just above the 30, so that's going to be 31. For the third one, we've got just below the 30, so that's going to be 29. And for April, I've drawn on that one, it's exactly on the 25 line. So if you add all of those together, you get 122,000 units, which is right down there. The final answer that we can see without even having to see answer D.